Good morning. I see lots of smiling faces and that's wonderful. To start, let's warm up with a game. Do you remember when we played our slap clap game in music class? Let's try it. I hope you remember how to play. So I'm going to start a rhythm and you are going to copy my rhythm, like follow the leader. All right, so let's start. I'm going to start and you copy when you're ready. Slap, clap, slap, clap, slap, clap, slap, clap. Very good. Let's try another one. Slap, slap, clap, clap, slap, slap, clap, clap. Very nice. Okay, this time when I do my rhythm, once we get going, I'm going to stop and I want to see if you can keep it going, all right? Here we go. Slap, clap, 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 slap, clap, clap, clap. Nice work. Did you actually know that we were doing math right now? It's true. We were making patterns with our slaps and our claps. And a pattern is something that repeats over and over again in the same way. So today in math, we're going to be practicing that. We're going to be making patterns with two parts, just like slap and clap have two different parts in our rhythm. So we're going to be making all different kinds of two-part patterns, and after we've done some learning and practicing together, then you are going to have a chance to build your very own two-part pattern. An easy way to start making patterns is by making color patterns. So I have here my pattern shape app up here on the big screen, and we are going to make a pattern of colors. But look at that, I just have a line of black squares. That doesn't look like a pattern, does it? So let's change it. Let's make some colors, and let's make our colors go back and forth. I've got orange, maybe let's do green too. All right, let's build our pattern. Do you see how I'm going back and forth with my colors? And do you see that I have two different colors? I'm using orange and green, and it's repeating back and forth. All right, I think it's about time that we could say our pattern together. Let's say it together. Are you ready? Orange, green, orange, green, orange, green, orange, green. Hey, that's neat. Let's slap clap this color pattern. Shall we try that? Are you ready? Orange, green, orange, green, orange, green, orange, green. Hey, that's pretty neat. Let's change our color pattern. Let's pick some different colors and let's make a different pattern. Let's do yellow and maybe what, purple? That sounds nice. Now, do you see that I'm not going just back and forth? This is a new pattern, and we're going to try saying it together as soon as I finish here. So I would continue this demonstration with this pattern AAB, as well as patterns AABB, and patterns ABBB. It's time to play a little game. Can my Star of the Day helper pass out our Plickers cards? Do you remember playing with these funny things? Remember that we only use two sides in our games, and on the back of a card, I've printed a nice big A and B to help you remember which sides to use. You also want to remember that when we play Plickers, we have to zip our mouths because we want our brains to have time to think, and we want our friends' brains to have time to think too. So when we zip our mouths closed, that way when I zap you with my camera, we can find out exactly what each person's brain has been thinking. So I'm going to show you a pattern, and we're going to pretend that you have to keep building it. What do you think is going to happen next in our pattern? What would you put next? So before we zip our mouths closed, let's say the pattern, and then we'll stop and we'll decide what comes next. So let's say it here. Orange, 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 green. Orange, 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 green. What do you think will come next? If you think green will come next, you put up the A side. And if you think orange should come next, you put up the B side. Then you're going to turn your puzzle piece around and hold it to your chin like this. I'm going to give it a zap, and that way I can find out what each of you are thinking. All right, so you decide, show me your puzzle piece. All right. Now we can unzip our mouths. We're going to say our pattern again, but this time we're going to say the answer too when I click the answer. And so you say what you think will come at the end. Are you ready? Orange, 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 green. Orange, 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 green. Orange. In fact, it should go orange, 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 shouldn't it? That's right. So, let's try another one. And I would continue this demonstration with the following questions. All right. What if we built a pattern out of something besides colors? We can do that. We're actually going to change this last color pattern that we did, and I'm going to change it into something different. I'm going to use toys, and I'm going to make a toy pattern. Are you ready? Let's check it out. Oh, here's our same color pattern at the top, but I've changed it. Let's say it. Plane, car, car, car. Plane, car, car, car. What do you think should come next? You decide, should it be a car or a plane? All right, turn your puzzle piece around and hold it to your chin. All right, let's say it together, and the answer too. Plane, car, car, car. Plane, car, car, car. Plane. All right. And I would continue this demonstration, this game, with the following slides. All right, now it's time for some practice. Find your partner of the day and build a color pattern. You'll see the laptops are set out, and you'll see this on your screen. Each of you can pick a different color from the bottom choices and decide how to make your pattern repeat over and over again. In a few minutes, I'm going to start a little class Zoom time on my camera, and I'm going to come around and show your pattern up on the spotlight video up on the big screen, and you can show and tell your pattern to the whole class.